Howdy crew, huge update, the welding rig truck is back. Let's get to it. The welding rig truck is back. No pictures or anything for tonight, saving that for tomorrow, and just kind of rundown of game plan right now and what happened today. So first and foremost today, what happened was I went and picked up the truck, made sure everything was good, lights were on there working, everything was bolted down as it should be, and everything was great. Very happy about it. And then my very best friend and I were handing out business cards for the welding rig, and so that's all great. I don't consider it a welding rig yet because not everything's on it. It's a welding rig truck still. That's why you all see me saying welding rig truck, but it's almost a welding rig all put together. So I'm very excited about that. Have absolute blast with my very best friend. And I want to say to my very best friend, thank you so much for believing in me, in the truck, and just for believing in the dream for all these years. I truly appreciate it. It means more to me than you ever know, for years believing in this, even though it is just now being fully put together. I truly appreciate all your confidence in this dream and goal, and just support me and believing in all this with me. It means more to me than you ever know. So thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And game plan for the truck for tomorrow. I'm going to be going to Lowe's first. What I need to buy is fiberglass ladder, go alongside the extendable aluminum ladder, chains, and locks. So chains to strap things down and lock them, and obviously the locks to keep everything locked. I need the locks for the air tank holders and the chains, different stuff like that. And then I'll be heading over to MPB to put the air tanks in. The tanks that is going to be propane, argon, CO2 argon, and oxygen. They all need the locks on there because I don't want them just sliding out, mainly being what's going to be on top of the propane, which will be the oxygen. I don't want that sliding out going down the road or anything like that. So that's the game plan. Going to be loading a lot of stuff into the truck first, and then I'll load some stuff in later because some stuff would have to be chained down. I don't want it being stolen while I'm in at Lowe's or anything like that, or for it shifting that is just not good. I just don't want it shifting around, flying out, what have you. So anyways, that's going to be game plan for tomorrow. Obviously be keeping y'all updated. There will be more pictures and whatnots for tomorrow, footage of it. I'm very excited, but I also want to mention I'm not doing the full truck yet because I don't want to show the name of the company, logo, any stuff. I'm going to save that for the finale, as I've been kind of creating some suspense on it for once everything's fully put together, which I'm hoping should be Monday, if not Sunday, around that time. So I'm very excited. I'll obviously keep you all updated, and I'll be keeping y'all updated with the testing of the TIG, MIG, oxy-fuel, and then the plasma cutter that has been ordered, and I'll be picking up tomorrow at MPB. So that is, I believe, everything that has gone on. I've been doing a lot of stuff with legal things for the truck, been going on, insurance, all that's been going on as well in the background. I'll talk more about that later. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.